Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the unit. Make sure the Huawei E5577 has enough battery and the SIM card is seated. Disable SIM PIN now if possible. Once powered, connect your laptop or phone to the mobile Wi-Fi network or plug in by USB. Then open a browser and go to 192.168.8.1 and log into the admin panel using the device credentials. This gives you the control you need to perform safe changes versus guessing in the dark. Once logged in, back up your configuration from system, export the file so you can restore SSID, passwords, and APN details later. Decide whether a soft reset from the web interface suffices or if you need a full factory restore. The soft reset preserves some firmware settings, whereas a pinhole hard reset clears everything. If using the pinhole, insert a thin tool and press for about 10 seconds until LEDs change. Then wait for the device to reboot fully before proceeding. After the reboot, restore the configuration you exported or set up a new SSID, Wi-Fi password, and correct APN. Change the admin password immediately for security. Make sure the internet LED shows connectivity, run a quick speed check, and update firmware from the System Upgrade menu if an update appears. If something goes wrong, first confirm the unit has enough charge and repeat the hard reset. Make sure you try another browser or device to rule out local access issues before concluding the hardware is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.